The cabin air filter in 2019-2021 Toyota Corollas, including L, LE, SE, XSE, and hybrid models, is located behind the glove box on the passenger side. First, empty the glove box. Then release the glove box stops by pushing in the tabs or removing screws. Allow the glove box to lower completely. The filter housing will be visible behind or below the glove box, secured by clips or screws. Unclip or unscrew the housing cover. Finally, slide the old filter out, noting its orientation, either horizontal or vertical. Start by inserting the new cabin air filter into the housing. Make sure the airflow arrow on the filter points towards the cabin, which is usually downwards or inwards. This ensures proper airflow through the system. Ensure the filter fits snugly in the housing to prevent any air leaks. Then secure the housing cover using the clips or screws you removed earlier. Reattach the glove box by aligning it properly and re-engaging the stops or screws that were removed during disassembly. Finally, test the HVAC system by turning on the air conditioning and heating to verify proper airflow and functionality. Changing your cabin air filter improves air quality inside the vehicle, reduces allergens, and helps your car's air conditioning and heating system work more efficiently.